Hello friends, and welcome to our reading corner. I have a great story we're going to read today. Lola gets a cat. How many of you all have a cat? Well, we're going to find out how Lola prepares for getting her cat. So come on and join me as I read our story. Lola gets a cat. Lola loves cats. She wanted a real one. Mommy says looking after a cat is a lot of work. Lola decides to find out more. So where do you think they went to find out more about taking care of cats? It looks like they're at the library. She learns that cats are super at smelling and hearing. Lola reads all about how to care for cats. She pretends Dinah is a real cat and practices looking after her. So she's pretending her toy cat is a real cat. At last, Mommy agrees Lola can get a cat. Mommy and Lola find out how to adopt one. At the cat shelter, they meet Jeremy. He shows them 3 perfect cats. Oh, I wonder which one they're going to choose. Before Lola can decide, one little cat chooses her. Jeremy says moving is scary for cats. He gives Lola a list of things that will help. Lola will be back as soon as everything at her home is ready. So they went to the shelter, picked out their cat. Now she's got a list of things she's got to go home to make sure are ready before they bring their cat home. All the next day, Lola and Mommy shop. What a lot of stuff for a little cat. Lola and Daddy make a special corner where her cat will settle in. They're getting it all ready. Finally, Lola is ready to bring her cat home. At first, the cat is afraid, but her own blanket makes her feel safe. Lola says not to worry. Look at the cat. He looks a little nervous, doesn't he? At home, the little cat stays in her carrier. After a while, she comes out and sniffs around. Lola watches. She knows her cat isn't ready to play just yet. So she's just watching as her kitten is exploring. Lola decides to call her cat Makita. It is the name of an African queen. Lola takes excellent care of Makita. She feeds her and gives her fresh water. See, she's got her list of things that she has to make sure she does and checks it off every day. One day, Lola's friend Ty brings a special present for Makita. Ty and Lola play with Makita all afternoon. At last, Makita feels right at home. Her favorite thing is to snuggle with Lola. Every evening, Lola reads to Makita. Tonight's story is about a famous cat. Lola loves her new little cat, and reading with Makita is the best of all. The end. All right, I hope you enjoyed our story. Now we have an activity we're gonna do. Come on and join me. All right, friends, so today for our activity, we are gonna do some rhyming. We have some pictures of different animals here, and you're gonna help me find the word that rhymes with that picture. So let's start off with dog. Which one of these words here on the table rhyme with dog? That means it has the same ending sound as dog. Let's see. Dog. Cider? No, that doesn't rhyme. What about dog, log? Do those rhyme? Yes. And look, they fit right there with each other. Dog, log, those rhyme. What about mouse? Which one of our pictures here rhyme with mouse? Third, cider, spider. What about house? Mouse, house. Yes, those rhyme. And look, they go right with each other. Mouse, house. So we have dog, log, mouse, house. What about cat? Which one of these rhyme with cat? What about cat? Bat. Those rhyme. Cat, bat. Very good. What about spider? Which one of these pictures rhyme with spider? We have bird, third, or cider. Spider, cider. Those rhyme. Very good. And then our last two. We have bird, third. Those rhyme. Very good. Okay, so let's read our pictures again. Make sure we have the right rhymes. We have dog, log, mouse, house, cat, bat, spider, cider, bird, third. Very good job, friends. Thank you so much for helping me find our rhyming words today. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed reading our book about Lola getting a cat and all the work and planning that goes into getting a pet, and then all the work that it takes when you finally get your pet. But Lola was up to the challenge. She took the time to learn about her cat before she went, and then prepared everything at home before she went back to pick up her cat. And then you helped me with our rhyming activity that we did today. It was lots of fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.